Hey everybody, it's Miss Lavodi, and today we're going to talk about creating your finishing touches in your digital scratch art. So what we're going to look at is how to continue to create some finer details, how to check your work, saving your work, and how to export your work as a black and white image to your camera roll. So what you're going to see me doing in this time-lapse drawing is I'm using a variety of marks, different hatching lines, cross-hatching lines, and even some stippling and circles to create different textures. I'm also scribbling, and I'm trying to use a variety of these marks to represent the different values and shapes of values that I see in my seahorse reference photograph. What you want to do from time to time is check your work on this project. You're going to do this by clicking the eye icon next to your photo layer to hide it. And then on your black layer, you're going to bring the opacity up to 100%. This is what your drawing looks like. So you can see right there that I needed to still go in and add some details after I checked my work. So after checking it, I'm going back in, I'm zooming in, and I decided to add some more stippling texture. I'm using my Apple Pencil and I'm tapping the screen. You can do this by tapping your finger on the screen, or if you have a stylus that you use, you can use that as well. So what if you checked your work and you realize you over-erased into an area and you have too much of a white value? What you can do is switch to the pen brush tool, change the size of your pen brush to match the eraser size that you used, and select the color black. And then all that you need to do is go in and start to draw back into the black layer to help you break up where the area might have gotten too light. So in this area here, I have a lot of cross-hatching, and what I'm going to do is start drawing a series of hatching and cross-hatching lines to break that space up and darken it, and try to blend that value into the white area that's already there. I can also change the brush size to something larger and continue to add some stippling dots to the area that I am working in as well. Once you have scratched away the final details of your image, you are going to hide your photo layer and bring your black layer up to 100% opacity. And then from here, you're going to click the three lines in the upper left-hand corner and click to export in PNG. You're going to export as a JPEG, and you're going to save your image to your device. The work that you have saved to your device should be a black and white image. Your black background should be solid black. It should not look gray.